Hmm, my sweetie part. It was like the most relaxing time I spent with this little girl in the morning today. She came and she was sitting next to me, and we were both just lying down together. So that's the whole thing. Like in my previous video, I was speaking about the fact that love. I mean, when you keep any kind of pet, you realize that the pet can't do anything for you in return. I mean, you'll be cleaning their cage, cleaning their poop, but only they give you their time, and even that, if you're lucky, you get their time. But really, once you understand this, it's like you understand life itself. I had to wear this nice, pretty pink dupatta and then do this recording, but I was scared this lady will run off, so I thought I might as well do the recording. But it is just so adorable. So, really, I'd highly recommend pets for everyone because they are adorable.